Hello friends, welcome to the Drive the World channel. Let us see the information about Euro standard for cars. Let us see emission standard explanation for Euro 1, Euro 2, Euro 3, Euro 4, Euro 5 and Euro 6. Do you know about Euro 6 emission standard in vehicle? Cars and commercial vehicles sold in Europe are subjected to strict limit on the emission of tailpipe pollutant and other sources on the vehicle, for example, eruptive emission from the fueling system. All the new car and vehicles are now fitted with particulate filter to meet tough and tough new Euro 6 standard. Euro 6 has gone from little known industry standard to the buzzword at the front of the diesel wire mind is the name of current emission standard which every new car must meet. Euro 6 emission limit for petrol. Carbon monoxide 1.0 gram per kilometer, hydrocarbon 0.1 gram per kilometer, nitrous oxide 0.06 gram per kilometer and particulate matter 0.05 gram per kilometer for direct injection. And Euro 6 emission limit for diesel engine, carbon monoxide 0.5 gram per kilometer and hydrocarbon plus nitrous oxide 0.17 gram per kilometer and nitrous oxide 0.08 gram per kilometer and particulate matter is 0.05 gram per kilometer. What is the difference between Euro 5 and Euro 6? The aim of the 6 is to reduce the level of harmful car and van exhaust emission both in petrol and diesel cars. For diesel, permitted level of nitrous oxide emitted has dramatically dropped to a maximum of 80 mg per kilometer compared to the 180 mg per kilometer level that was required for car and that meet previous Euro 5 emission standard. What is the Euro engine? A particulate number standards P or PN has been introduced in 2011 with Euro 5B for diesel engine in 2014 with Euro 6 for petrol engines. What is Euro? What is Euro fuel? Euro 6 grade fuel contains 10 parts per million of sulfur as against 50 parts per million in Euro 4 fuel. The nation's biggest oil firm will source the BS4 fuel BS6 fuel to meet Delhi requirement from its Mathura refinery, while Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited will do so from its joint venture refinery at Bhatinda. Does my car meet Euro 6 standard? The vehicle affected by this recent law will be petrol vehicle that do not meet Euro 4 emission standard and diesel vehicle that do not meet Euro 6 standard. Drivers should be aware of their vehicle emission category. What are the Euro 6 cars? Euro 6 is the name given to set of limit for harmful exhaust compounds. Since September 2015, manufacturers must ensure that new car emissions do not exceed those limits as measured in official tests. Which car have Euro 6 engine? First is Audi, second BMW, Citroën, Mazda, Mercedes, Mini, Peugeot and Vauxhall. What is the Euro 5 standard for cars? Euro 5 standard for cars further restrict emission from both petrol and diesel cars. The carbon monoxide, hydrocarbon, oxide of nitrogen and particulate matter which are considered harmful to human health. What is Euro 4 standard for cars? Euro 4 is the minimum standard for cars and van driving in central London. The standard was bought in January 2005 and concentrated. What is the Euro 4 standard for cars? Euro 4 is the minimum standard of cars when driving in central London. The standard was bought in January 2005 and concentrated on cleaning up emission from diesel cars, especially reducing particulate matter and oxide of nitrogen. Euro 4, January 2005 and later Euro 5, September 2009, concentrated on cleaning up emission from diesel cars, especially reducing particulate matter and oxide of nitrogen. Some Euro 4 diesel cars were fitted with particulate filter. What does the Euro 4 means on car? Euro 4 is a minimum standard of car and van driving in central London. The standard was bought in 2005 and concentrated on cleaning up emission from diesel cars, especially reducing particulate matter and oxide of nitrogen. What is the Euro 3 standard for cars? Euro 3 modified the test procedure to eliminate the engine warm period and further reduce permitted carbon monoxide and diesel particulate limit. Euro 3 also added a separate nitrous oxide limit for diesel engine and introduced separate hydrocarbon and nitrous oxide limit for petrol engines. What is the Euro 2 standard for cars? The Euro 2 standard further reduced the limit of carbon monoxide emission and also reduced the combined limit for unburned hydrocarbon and oxide of nitrogen for both petrol and diesel vehicles. Euro 2 introduced different emission limit for petrol and diesel. What is the Euro 1 standard for cars? Applies for all new cars registered from 1st January 1993. Benefits: the Euro 1 standard heralded the introduction of catalytic converters and unleaded petrol for all cars. Euro 1 emission limits: petrol carbon monoxide is 2.72 gram per kilometer and hydrocarbon plus nitrous oxide is 0.97 gram per kilometer.